The Indian Pavilion at COP28 Climate Summit had comprehensive conversations on the extensive effects of climate change in Himalayan area. By highlighting the significance of creating mountain communities that are resilient and environmental sustainable, participants examined ways to reduce vulnerability for promoting climate-resilient development in the Indian Himalayan region. Delegates at COP28 discussed India's current climate change measures, emphasizing pressing need for quick action in the face of growing climate concerns. India emphasized several essential points including the climate change program, vulnerability and risk assessment, regional perspective on the cryosphere, climate risk profile for Manipur adaptation plans, and inclusive climate actions for sustainable development of Indian Himalayan region. The Indian government's Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change has led several programs to protect and develop the Indian Himalayan region. The Department of Science and Technology has also actively assisted to restore the Himalayas' health by incorporating research into conservation initiative. Improved knowledge of the connection between climate change and the Himalayan environment is gained through the National Mission for Sustaining the Himalayan Environment, which was established as a part of the National Action Plan on Climate Change. Its division, the State Climate Change Center in the Himalayan state and the Union territories, concentrate on training and capacity building for climate change and adaptation planning, public awareness campaigns and climate vulnerability assessments. It works to create and implement cutting-edge techniques for building an extensive database and evaluating the condition of the Himalayan ecosystem, especially the glaciers. Dr. Anita Gupta, Head of Climate Change and Clean Energy Division of Department of Science and Technology, informed about India's climate change initiatives and emphasized the need of immediate actions in light of worsening effects of climate change.